आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtnut. Now the question is, if fx is equal to e to the power gx and g of x is equal to integration 2 to x t into dt upon 1 plus t to the power 4, then we have to find the value of f dash 2. So here we have the value f of x is equal to e to the power gx. So we have to find f dash 2 means we have to find f dash x. So in the next step, suppose this is our equation number first. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. So this is your differentiation of fx with respect to x, that is f dash x. Now here we have function e to the power gx. So first we differentiate e to the power gx with respect to x with respect to gx. Now into differentiation of gx with respect to x, means here we apply what? Chain rule. So in the next step we get f dash x is equal to differentiation of e to the power gx with respect to gx, this is what? E to the power gx into differentiation of gx with respect to x, that is g dash x. Now in the next step we have to find f dash 2, means we have to put x is equal to 2 in this equation. So we get f dash 2 is equal to e to the power g2 into g dash 2. Now from here we can see that if we get e to the power g2 and g dash 2, then we get the answer. So first we have to find g dash x. Here we have gx. Now in this question given gx is equal to integration, limit is from 2 to x t into dt upon 1 plus t to the power 4. Now in the next step we can write integration 2 to x t into dt upon 1 plus t to the power 4, we can write t square whole square. Now here we can see that if we assume t square is equal to p, so derivative of t square is present in numerator, so we can assume that t square is equal to p. So now we differentiate this, so we get differentiation of t square, that is 2t into dt is equal to dp. Now t into dt is equal to, we can write half into dp. Now we substitute t square is equal to p and t into dt is equal to half into dp in the integration, so we get g of x is equal to integration 2 to x t into dt, we can write half into dp upon 1 plus t square whole square, that is what? 1 plus p square. Now in the next step g of x is equal to, we can write half is a constant, so take outside from integral, and that is integration 2 to x 1 upon 1 plus p square into dp. Now in the next step we know that integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x. So we use this formula here in this question. So in the next step we can write g of x is equal to half integration of 1 upon 1 plus p square, that is tan inverse p, and limit is from 2 to x. Now we put the limit. So in the next step g of x is equal to half limit, upper limit is x, so this is what? Tan inverse x, minus lower limit is 2, so this is tan inverse 2. Now we have to find g of 2, so put x is equal to 2 in this expression, so we get g2. So g2 is equal to half tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 2. So from here tan inverse 2 and tan inverse 2, that is 0, so g2 is equal to, we can say that 0. Now this is the value of g2, and now we have to find g dash 2. So first we have to find g dash x, so we differentiate this equation, suppose this is our equation number second, gx is equal to, we have g of x is equal to half tan inverse x minus tan inverse 2. Now we differentiate this with respect to x. So we get g dash x. So g dash x is equal to half differentiation of tan inverse x, we know that 1 upon 1 plus x square, minus differentiation of tan inverse 2, this is constant term, so differentiation of this term is what? 0. Now g dash x is equal to 1 upon 2 1 plus x square. Now to find the f dash 2, we have to find g dash 2. So put x is equal to 2 here. So we get g dash 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 1 plus x is what? 2, so this is 2 square. Now in the next step, g dash 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 square, that is 4 plus 1 5, so 1 upon 2 into 5, so g dash 2 is equal to what? 1 upon 10. We have the expression f dash 2 is equal to e to the power g2 into g dash 2, and we know that g dash 2 is equal to 1 upon 10 and g of 2 is equal to 0. Now we put these value here in this equation, so we get f dash 2 is equal to e to the power 0 into g dash 2 is equal to 1 upon 10, and we know that e power 0 is what? 1, so 1 into 1 upon 10, so from here we get f dash 2 is equal to 1 upon 10. This is our final answer. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।